ขอบคุณค่ะ
อร่อยดีค่ะ
Namina. Hot is it? Blue first. Good job. Huh?
Magluto.
Good afternoon! Welcome back sa ating channel. So, sorry guys, hapon na nakapag-vlog si atin nyo kasi, I don't know, it's just been a busy day. And, kanina pala, nag-lunch break kami ni Mike. Pumunta kami sa Asian shop para bumili ng something. Kasi tinanong ako kanina ni Mike kung anong gusto ko for dinner. And I said, I want something na soup. Kasi nga, diba, nagpapadede pa ako kay Paris. And, I don't know, I just feel so drained. You know what I mean? So, sabi ko sa kanya, you know, do some, soup. And sabi niya, how about yung soup na ginawa ko when, nung pag-ano ko kay Paris kasi si Mike nag-take siya ng 1 month leave. So, yeah, he used to make me soup and, ewan ko, tom yum soup yata yung sinasabi niya. But, yeah, that's why umalis kami, pumunta kami dun. And, I'm gonna show you what we bought from the shop, guys. So, ito pala yung, yung beef burns. So, very mahal siya, guys. Kunti lang siya for $10. Anyways, you gotta pay what you gotta pay. And then, we've got 2 bags here. And, andito. Na-excite ako guys kasi bago lang kasi kami dito sa area na to. Just less than 3 months kami sa area na to. And, hindi pa talaga ako nakapunta sa Asian grocery dito sa, sa area namin. So, pumunta kami doon. And, guys, nag-heart-heart ang aking mata kasi it's been a while since I had this. So, this is what they call jubes here, guys. Oh, pero it's nata de coco, guys. Oh my God. This is my favorite. I remember when yung office namin ay sa Docklands pa. May Asian store sa baba. And every time, ito yung binibili kong pang-snack ko every day. So, ayan. I was very happy to see it. And this one is for $2, guys. Isa. So, yung binili ko is, while nandun na naman ako at pwede itong store sa fridge. Ayan. So, bumili ako ng 3. And, oh guys, na-excite kayo nito. Ayan. So, meron tayong hot and spicy pork crackers. Chicharon, bulaklak. Ay, hindi ko siya chicharon, bulaklak. Uy. Chicharon, na good siya. No? Very nice. I think this one was for $7. This one. And, I've got mani. So, mostly yung mga binili ko dito, guys, is pang snacks ba? Kasi nga, diba, working from home and minsan, you're just sitting there and gusto mong may manguya-nguya ka ba? So, ito, bumili din ako ng peanut, roasted peanut. Ayan. Ano ba ito? Hindi naman ito Pilipinas. Made, saan kaya ito? Indonesia. From Indonesia pala yan, guys. And, oh, this one. You will like this one too. It's been ages since I had butong pakwan. Butong pakwan ba ito, guys? Ang tawag dito? Yan, tingnan nyo, oh. Before sa Pilipinas, guys, nandun may sa tagpiso dito, guys, yung sachet. But here, oh, ang dami niya, guys, oh. Very kuti lang siya kainin, kaya kailangan mong buakin. Kailangan mong i-break yung shell. But, I can't wait to try this out. And, while nandun si atin nyo, guys, bumili na rin ako ng yung coconut juice. Ayan. So, this one is product of Thailand. Ayan. So, yung 4 na to, guys, worth $8. So, it means $2 each. Ayan. Masarap to siya, guys, kasi meron siyang parang, may unod bitaw siya sa loob. Hindi lang siya water talaga. Meron siyang laman din sa loob. But, I really like the Filipina one, guys. Yung brand pala is Lipa, like L-I-P-A. But, wala man silang ganun, guys. Uy, so this will do. And, yeah, love this one. And the last plastic here, guys, is yung pinamili ni Mike para sa lulutuin niya tonight. Kasi, guys, si Mike talaga yung magluluto dito sa bahay. Nagluluto din naman ako minsan, but mostly Mike kasi he loves the kitchen and I'm not complaining, guys. Ito yung binili niya, oh. Young baby corn. And meron pang mga sagbot. Sagbot. Ewan ko, guys, basil yata to. And this one is, hala, I don't know what this one is, but mukha siyang, ano, yung parang isugba bitaw para imuunda yung kuan, imuunda yung banyos. Nakalimot ko sa pangalan. If you know, guys, let me know sa comment section below, ha. Alam, ito yung parang ano ba, sibuyas, pero hindi siya sibuyas. Anyways, let's move on. Meron din tayong chili, ayan. And meron din tayong bamboo shoot in a can. Meron tayong luya. And God knows what this is. Enoki mushroom. Ayan. And one more. Instant Thai tom yum paste. Ayan. Yan pala yung binili ni Mike, guys, para makaluto na siya mamaya. So, I can't wait, guys, na kumain mamaya. This will take a while kasi nga, diba, dapat palambutin pa yung buto. So, we might, you know, start now. And, yeah, so, later, mamaya, wala pala si Paris dito, guys, kasi nasa childcare siya today. And, kasi Thursday, but bukas, nasa bahay siya. We will pick her up, mga ano, mamaya, mga alas 5. Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo, guys, yung mga napamili namin. But, later, pipick upin namin si Paris, and then, pag nagluto na si Mike nito, guys, I will take some clip for you. So, I'll see you later, guys. Bye! So, here's our cook. There you guys. I can smell it. I can smell the lemony. Tom yum talaga siya, guys. Yan. Sinimulan na ni Mike magluto, guys, kasi diba yung buto, dapat soft in siya. So, matagal-tagalan pa yan. So, pipick upin namin si Paris and we'll just keep this on, yeah?
Yeah.
And then, yeah. Pag uwi namin, hopefully, medyo ready na siya. Pwede na tayong makakain. What's that, Bob?
Bamboo tip.
Bamboo. Alas 5 na, guys. It's time to pick up our baby girl. And ayan, oh, hindi ko naman hidubad yung aking jacket kanina pa, guys, kasi very maginaw. And check natin yung niluluto ni Daddy Mike. So, it is boiling away. Ayan. So, hahayaan muna namin to siyang mag-boil. Tapos, we'll go pick up Paris. And we'll eat when we come back. May dumating pala na guys, oh. Yung, how do you call this one, Bob?
Chin-up bar, dip station.
Ha?
Chin-up bar and dip station.
Chin-up bar and whatever station.
Dip station.
Dip? Ayan. So, pang ano niya, guys, pang gym ba? Ito yung, box na dumating. Tapos yan sa loob. And dito yung mga screws niya. Ayan. And, obviously, kailangan natin yung i-assemble. I don't know how easy it is to assemble that. But, o sabi ko kay Mike sa sa weekend na lang namin i-assemble. Uy, kay Ginoo ko. Wala na kayo ang nakabutang sa kong lista, akong buluhaton. But, yeah. Come on, Daddy. Let's go. Diyan na lang muna yan, guys. It's starting to rain. That it's raining, Bob. No, very cold talaga siya, guys. Ayan siya naglalaro. Naku na natin.
Let's go.
Paris, who's here? Yeah, maybe find your water bottle too. Because yesterday we didn't bring it home. Can you recognize yours?
Good girl.
Alam na alam niya yung gamit niya, guys. O, tinanong namin siya, find your bag.
Can you get your water bottle, please?
Water bottle. Yay! that yours?
It's yours.
It's yours. Good job.
It's my final box.
Daddy's got your bag. It's okay.
I'll give you back. See?
Say bye-bye, fish.
Oh no!
Say bye-bye, fish.
This is the fish in the surf.
The fish isn't gonna bite you. It's in the glass. Say bye bye, fish.
This is the fish ice.
Yeah, the fish is
Come on,
ice.
let's go.
More fish.
There's more fish.
Small fish.
How many jellyfish?
See me in the pool.
How many jellyfish are there?
How many jellyfish?
It's starfish.
How many? 1 or 2?
Bye-bye, starfish.
Yeah, bye bye, jellyfish.
That's all.
Bye.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Say thank you, Daddy.
Open the
Gate. Open
Say
the gate.
thank you, Daddy.
ice truck.
Truck.
Ito na ang ating prinsesa kumakain na ng kanin. Ay, shush! Nami na. Hot, is it? Blow. Blow first. Good job. Huh?
Gato.
Yeah. Blow like a candle. Good girl.
Bubble. Bubble.
Yummy?
My book. Gato.
So here's our food.
Mommy.
Ito na ang ating resulta. So dito lang kami kumakain sa sahig, guys, kasi mga Japanese kami. But this is the tom yum soup by Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Bubble.
Kapkun ka.
Aroy di ka.
Bill, let's try. Aroy di. Did you have...
Yum.
And of course, meron tayong rice, guys. So, meron na tayong ano nito, guys. May laman na naman ang ating didi nito ngayon kasi may soup. But kain muna kami, guys, ha. Bon appetit! Did my baby girl pupo?
No.
Yan siya pag tinanong mo, guys, kung nagpupo ba siya. Honey! Did my baby girl pupo?
No, Bubble.
No pupo. Okay. Alright. If you say so. Pero kitang-kita nyo na sa kanyang mukha, guys. O, na nag-uugot-ugot. Kumusta naman ang ating mga piloon sa likod? Walang katapusang piloon.
No.
No? Let's go get changed na ta.
No.
Let's go get changed our clothes.
No.
No? Why not? Where are you going?
Fine.
Huh?
Fine.
Big one? Where's your water bottle? Huh? Where? Did you drink water? Did you drink water? Good girl. What are you watching, Nak? What are you watching?
Pig fish.
Huh? What's that? Peppa Pig?
A big dinosaur.
A big dinosaur! Ayan yung pinapanood niya, guys, oh. Pero na-mute ko kasi baka we'll never know, makapiright. Wash na tanak? Get ready for bed?
No.
No? No? Anong oras na, guys? Oh, tingnan yung buhok ni ate, guys. The same pa rin yung buhok ko since this morning. Kawawa naman. Kiss na lang sa mama na, be. Ayan na ang ating prinsesa, guys. Oh, nabihisa na siya. Ready na siya for bed. Anak, you ready na?
No.
Tapos, nag-change pala tayo ng ano, guys, ng bed sheets, tsaka mga pillowcases. Chinange ko. And you know what? Si Paris, okay lang yun siya ngayon kahit na matulog siya medyo late kasi she's not going to childcare tomorrow. So, she will be with us. She will be with us bukas, anak. Are you staying with Mama and Daddy tomorrow?
Is Daddy home?
Yes. Is baby home tomorrow?
My home.
Yes, that's right. Okay. So guys, that's about it for today's video. Sana nasiyahan kayo sa ating vlog for today. Yun lang yung ginawa namin guys. Yun nga, si Mike nagluto ng sabaw, ng tom yum soup. So ayan, meron na tayong meron na tayong pampadidi kay Paris. And alam nyo guys, yung binili ko kanina na yung pinakita ko sa inyo na coconut water. Tinry ko siya guys kasi 4 sila, right? Tinry ko yung isa parang maasim siya guys. Murag daot na siya. I think it's already off and I might bring it back tomorrow. Kasi nga guys, uy, $8 din yun siya guys. Kaya bukas ibabalik ko yun. May kisses mama na ko eh. Thank you very much sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana masiyahan kayo dito sa ating mumunting channel. And kung meron man kayong mga suggestions na pwede nating maging topic, let me know sa description box below. And ngayon ay magsha-shoutout na tayo. And let's start with Joy Pangan. Hello! Thank you very much for watching, Joy. Shout out to Christine Joy Tabak, Jess Shill, John Ray Gikan, Gina Gikan, Rosemary Romoir, Mercedes Valera, pa-shout out from Tayabas, Quezon. Hello! April Rose Romero, Mika Sky, Mirasol Dayaw, Rosario Sabalye, Amy and Anthony. Hello, Dai. Thank you for watching. Mary Chris Relodge, Casey Rayback Lorette Vlogs, Choco TV, Ginalin's World, Bing Salvi Salan, Cactus PH, Marilyn Drudge, and sabi niya, pa-shout out kay Shelly Delia in Taguig City, Metro Manila. Hello! And to my one and only Matthew Drudge in the UK. Hello, sir! Her one and only, ha? Her one and only Matthew Drudge. Hello, sir. Marife Cabanero, Traveler's Peak, Lohan Pasadas, Richard Antiga, Mary Jane Sobere, and shout out to Jenny Cass, Jerilyn Obalde, Sofia Mangilin, Princess Ilanga, Odessa Dunghil, Janet Gordon, Kathleen Domo. Hello. Shout out to Ati May, Red Sibial, Michael David Oiko. I think ito lang yata yung lalaki na pangalan na nakita ko dito na nagko-comment. So, thank you very much, Michael David Oiko, for watching and also sa pag-leave ng comment. Shout out to Little Miss Isay. Hello, MJ. Eileen Caliv, Mary Rose Machete, Maribel Patiag, La Arnie TV, Anariza Aloro, Loving Woman, hello sis, Dajayomas, Merlina Mendoza, Jane Solitario, Maria Victoria Hermida, and Jeffrey Talon. Again guys, thank you very much for your undying support. Appreciate ko talaga kayong lahat. I am going to get myself ready for bed as well kasi na-ready ko na si Paris. And as mentioned, okay lang to. Hindi masyadong maaga siya matulog tonight kasi hindi siya pupunta ng childcare bukas. So, Nak, are you excited to be with Mama tomorrow, Nak? And Daddy? At home?
Home.
Are you home tomorrow?
Did you want home?
Thank you very much guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I really hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful.
No.
Bye!